Hello boys, hello girls. We are at school again. And now, let's go to the school.
This is a school. This is my school. Let's go in. This is a classroom. This is a classroom. This is a window, a big window. This is a whiteboard, a whiteboard. This is a desk. This is a teacher's desk. These are desks. These are desks.
It's time to look, listen, and remember. Look, listen, and remember. My classroom. Hello, Mary. I'm at my new school. It is cool. Look. My classroom. A whiteboard. A bookcase. A window. A desk. A poster. I like my school. I like my classroom. Look at the pictures. What's this? Classroom. A classroom. What's this? A whiteboard. A whiteboard. What's this? A bookcase. A bookcase. What's this? A desk. A desk. What's this? A window. A window. What's this? A poster. A poster. Classroom. Whiteboard. Bookcase. Desk. Window. Poster. Good job. Listen to the dialogue. Listen to the dialogue.
1. What are you doing, Olenka?
I'm taking photos. I want to tell Mary about our classroom.
2.
Our classroom is nice. There is a big whiteboard in our classroom.
There are many desks. 3. We can write a letter to Mary. Can I help you, Olenka?
It's a good idea, Vlad.
Look, I have got paints. I have got paints. I have got a pencil case. I have got a pencil case. I have got a pencil. I have got a pencil. And I have got a sharpener. I have got a sharpener. And now, look and write. Look and write. Look at the pictures. What is this? Paints. I have got paints. What is this? A sharpener. I have got a sharpener. What's this? A pencil. I have got a pencil. What is this? A pencil case. I have got a pencil case. Yes, That's right. It's time to read. Let's read. Let's remember the letters and let's read. Letter C. Let's read. A cat. A big cat. A little cat. A fat cat. A cap. A big cap. A little cap. A cat and a dog. Letter H. Let's read. A hen. A little hen. A big hen. A fat hen. A hen and a cat. A hat. A little hat. A big hat. A hand. A big hand. A little hand. A hen in a hand. A cat in a hand. It is cold. It is hot. It is an apple in a hat. It is a cat in a hat. It is a hat in a hand. Letter E. Let's read. Help. Help. Hen. Left. Leg. Smell. Egg. Test. And. Letter O. Cold. Cop. Con. Hop. Hot. Dog. Stop. Pond. Doll. Letter I. Hill. Him. Pig. Still. Lift. Pin. Dig. Sit. Lip. Letter A. Cap. Cat. Can. Cab. Clap. Hat. Hand. Head. Hag. Very good reading. Now it's your turn. Read the words. Read the words. And now let's read the words. Hell. Help. Hen. Left. Leg. Smell. Test. End. Cold. Cop. Con. Hot. Hop. Stop. Pond. Dog. Hill. Him. Pig. Still. Lift. Pin. Dig. Lip. Cap. Cat. Can. Cab. Clap. Hat. Hand. Head. Okay, very good.